Hello, I'm Scott. This is my BYOB project, and I made a 6-degree of freedom arm. It's got a wrist joint at the top, and I designed it in Tinkercad. This is what the STL looks like if you were to move all of the pieces to the origin. And then if we launch the program, you can see that all of the joints do move independently. You can move them however you so please. And then once they are kind of in a position that you want, all you have to do is hit save and it makes a new preset. You can change all of the inputs as well, and for one of my special functions, whenever you enter in, we're just going to give it 30, 15, that should be fine. It will animate and move into that position. Although, of course, if it moves outside of the visible range, it falls onto the floor. But on top of that, I've got presets, and they all move. And I've got the animation that goes into the correct positions. And if you hit the saved one, it moves back to where it was. For my second special feature, I use inverse kinematics to find the joint positions that set the end effector equal to wherever it is right now. And so if you hit the button, it takes a second as it does a bunch of calculations, and then you'll see it moves to all of the potential joint angles that will keep the end effector ultimately still at the end. I do not account for if it's physically possible for the joints to fit like that. So if it's phasing through the robot arm, that is unfortunately not in the scope of this project, but it does account for if it's an impossible like joint angle, or if there's only like 3 or 4 or however many there are, it will remove, because I think it's a max of 8 that it can exist with the 6-degree freedom arm. It will remove the ones that have values that don't actually exist.